What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be talking about a device that I think OnePlus should create. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is healthy out there. Hopefully everyone is happy as well. But we have the OnePlus N200 5G right here, and I already talked about making this video before, but you guys already know about this device. Amazing device. We have a huge battery in this device. We have a 90 Hz 1080p display on this device. Very, very affordable device as well, and I feel like honestly, this has been my favorite phone this year for budget phone. The chipset that we get in this runs games very, very smoothly. We could play games like PUBG and Call of Duty on high graphic settings. You guys will be able to watch your favorite movies on a 90 Hz display, and you guys are going to have one of the best batteries in a budget smartphone as well. But I have a proposition and I have a question for OnePlus, and hopefully you guys will support this in the comment section down below. And this video is for OnePlus to see, so if you guys can go ahead and drop a like on this video, leave your comment on if you think we should have this device or not. Definitely leave that opinion down below. But I am proposing that OnePlus should create a Stylus device. Now, as you guys already know, the Moto G Stylus 5G did come out, and that device is right here. So as you guys see, Moto G Stylus 5G, honestly, a really good device. I really do like this device. I think the screen is much better on the OnePlus N200 5G, but I think the Moto G Stylus 5G is definitely a very solid phone. There's a few things that I don't like about it, but we're going to get into that right now. So as for the N200 5G, if you guys can make a device that has a stylus with this for the people that want a stylus in a OnePlus device, that would be absolutely amazing. I think that would work extremely well. I think you guys would, obviously, number one, take over LG's business because they're gone. They're not going to be here, and it looks like they're not coming back either. But I'm feeling like a lot of people don't really like Motorola too much because they don't really add too many things to their devices. It's kind of like, a really niche type of thing where you have Moto Actions and you have all these other different things. I think OnePlus can actually do it much better, and the reason why I'm saying this is because the reason why people like Motorola devices is because of the stock Android experience that they have with their device. But with these devices, it really gets boring. Honestly, I've really been getting bored of Motorola. I don't think they have bad devices at all. I just think OnePlus is offering many more things to the table that Motorola does not. Motorola tends to have the same body, tends to have the same cameras, tends to have the, all that stuff in there. And, it is a solid device, but it honestly is boring. And I feel like OnePlus should release a stylus device. And I feel like this device, just with a stylus built into it with stylus functions, would be perfect. I feel like this would be a perfect phone. You have that 90 Hertz display on here. Maybe they can even bump it up to 120 Hertz. But I feel like that would be the perfect device. Also, the size of this phone is perfect as well. Very lightweight, and somehow they fit a 4500 milliamp battery inside of this device. And as you guys can see, it's honestly pretty thin, to be quite honest. It's a very lightweight phone. But I think that OnePlus should go ahead and make a stylus device because we have a stock Android device right here. We have a good processor inside this device. We have a good GPU. The only other thing that I feel like they can upgrade on the N200 5G would have to be the haptic feedback when typing and the cameras on this device. I don't think the cameras are really too amazing. I feel like they can definitely do a better job with the software, and they can do a better job with the sensors in this device as well, and still offer an extremely affordable and very nice device right here. So this is my proposal to OnePlus. Hopefully you guys are listening right now. Hopefully some of your team is watching this video, but I feel like you guys should make a stylus device, and I feel like you guys would completely take over the stylus budget little category that really hasn't been taken over by anybody fully other than LG, and Motorola is just really trying to replace that with the Moto G Stylus and the new Moto G Stylus 5G. So I feel like you guys can take this over, and I feel like a lot of people would move to your company just because you guys have a stylus device, because that's a really niche thing right now, especially in 2021. There are not too many budget stylus devices. In fact, I feel like the LG Stylus 6 and the Moto G Stylus 5G are really the only budget, handsets out there, unless you want to buy some older Note device or something. And, I think you guys would do well. Great display on this phone. We have some amazing speakers on here, and it just offers everything. And I feel like you guys can definitely take over that category, take over that niche very, very easily. So this is my proposal to OnePlus. Make a stylus device, please. I think your fans would absolutely love that, and I think they would, definitely buy it. And hopefully you guys can bring that over to Metro like you did with the N200 5G, the N10 5G, the N100, because people really do like your devices. But this was just a really quick video. I'm hoping that this actually comes to fruition later on. I'm sure they'll get a hold of this video somehow, but don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I do upload a new video. But this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.